In this episode, we are traveling to South Sweden, at a place only open for people 3 months a year. We are at Måkläppen, a remote nature reserve at the very tip of the Falsterbo peninsula in southern Sweden. Its name, translating to Seal's Lap, tells us all we need to know about the life that gathers here. For this narrow spit of sand is home to one of the country's most remarkable colonies of grey seals, and a vital resting place for countless migratory birds. This is the southwesternmost point of Sweden, where the land surrenders itself to the sea. Here, the rhythms of nature continue much as they have for millennia, untouched and largely unseen. To avoid disturbing the seals, we travel under cover of darkness, moving carefully with the aid of night vision goggles. In the green glow, faint shapes begin to emerge, the sleek forms of seals resting upon the cool sand, their sides rising and falling in the stillness of the night. Above us, the whisper of wings, migratory birds pausing here on their great journeys between continents. It is a rare privilege to witness this hidden world undisturbed, a glimpse of nature's quiet persistence here at the edge of Sweden's southern sea. As the first light of dawn creeps over Måkläppen, we prepare our tools, the modern instruments that allow us to witness nature's most intimate moments. Today, we're using a Sony Alpha 1 Mark II, a remarkable camera paired with Sony's 400 to 800 millimeter lens. With the addition of a 1.4x teleconverter, it brings us closer still to the heart of the wild. In this dim, early light, every movement counts. The air is heavy with mist, and the sun has yet to break the horizon. To capture these fleeting moments, we must raise the camera's ISO, balancing precision against the whispering darkness of the morning. Out there in the shallow waters, something stirs. The young ones appear first, cautious, curious, like tiny spies emerging from the surf. Their sleek heads pop up above the calm, wind-ruffled water, eyes glistening, watching, wondering. What must they be thinking? For 9 long months, no human has set foot upon this place, and now, suddenly, a figure stands on the shore, pointing a strange object in their direction. Do they understand? Can they somehow warn the others? It seems they can. With a flick of fins and a splash, the alarm is given. In an instant, the group vanishes beneath the surface, gone as if swallowed by the sea itself. But nature is full of courage and curiosity. After a while, one brave mother returns, sliding gracefully onto the sand. Her young are never far behind. Soon, the quiet shoreline erupts with energy. The pups are at play, darting, diving, splashing, their laughterless joy written in every movement. And in that moment, we see it clearly. They are not so very different from our own children, tumbling and playing in a bathtub, carefree and alive. Here, on the edge of the Baltic Sea, life carries on, wild, exuberant, and beautifully familiar. And so our journey draws to a close. Here at the southernmost tip of Sweden, nature thrives, wild, untamed, and endlessly fascinating. The seals return to their sands, the birds to the sky, and the sea carries on, whispering its eternal song along the coast of Måkläppen. Thank you for joining us and for sharing in this glimpse of Sweden's most remarkable wilderness. And if you've enjoyed this journey, please do like and subscribe so that you can join us again for more encounters with the wonders of our natural world.